Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm quickly going to show you 10 of my favorite matte liquid lipsticks for summers. We all love wearing a matte lipstick in summers because unlike in winters where you want a more hydrating lip color, your lips are feeling dry, in summers you can definitely flaunt all of your gorgeous matte lipsticks, and here are my 10 favorites. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and the links to all of the lip colors that I'm going to show you are going to be in the description box. Without further ado, let's get started. All of these lip colors, I bought them from Amazon and a lot of them are on discount. Links to all of the products are in the description box, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.